Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2022 Kawasaki Ninja 400 with ABS brakes. This lightweight twin cylinder just arrived with only 4,300 miles on the odometer. It's got the smoke windscreen, flush mount, turn signals up front, and wait till you hear that Leo Vinci exhaust. Fender eliminator, beautiful condition, low miles, really cool matte blue finish. I love the graphics on this one. Come on by and make your lightweight sport twin dreams come true for just $57.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock.